Hello everybody, welcome to fifth video of our course, and in this video we are going to create side tables for this sofa. So for side tables we will use the same technique. We will just create a new layer here, and we'll name this layer to table, and then we will create a chamfer box for this table, and we will just create chamfer box like this, and now we will uh, give it length and width. Okay, so length we will give it to 3 feet because our sofa is also 3 feet in length, and width we will give a width of 4 feet. We can give it 4 feet width. 4 feet is bigger, I think, so we can give it 3 feet width. Yeah, this is fine. After that we will decrease the fillet, fillet, and here is the fillet, and we will decrease this fillet to very low. Okay, and also we will delete, we will uncheck this smooth checkbox here, so it will give a result like a wood, not like a cloth. Okay, with smooth it is. So now our table base is ready. We will select our table base, duplicate it by pressing shift, and copy the main layer object. Now we will go to modifier tab. We will give height of this to around 2 inches only, and then we can higher the surface. 2 inches is I think fine. Yeah, 2 inches is fine. And now we can just increase the length and width, so we can add 3.5 inches and 3.5 inches. Yeah, now it's fine. After this we can just select both objects and move these objects higher, like this, and yes, I think this height is fine for side table. And now we will create a box for the legs of this table. Okay, so for that we can just create a box. We will select our chamfer box. We will go to modifier. We will give it a length of around 0.5 6 inches, we can say, and width also 6 inches, and height we will give it to 2 feet, and fillet we will remove fillet to 0 or 0 point something like 1. Okay, now we can just scale arrange this leg of the table here at the grid position, and we can increase its height, but we will decrease the width and height. So we will decrease the width and length, and then we can increase the height so it should matches the floor. Now we will apply taper modifier on this leg, so we can choose taper here and enter, and then we can give amount to this taper. So now it's absolutely fine. Our leg is ready. We can duplicate this leg to lie to the another sides as well, and that's it. Our legs are also ready. Yeah, now we can duplicate this main box here like this, and then we can decrease the length of this box to something like 4 inches, and 4 centimeters, and 4 inches, sorry, not centimeters, 4 inches. And then we can scale this a little bit smaller like this, and we will arrange this to right place of the table. Sorry. Like this. Okay, and after that, the last thing, we will create one more shape, and we can create a shape of simple capsule, and here we can create this capsule, and then we can move this capsule here at the point where we need our handle, and we can scale this to something realistic, look like some realistic thing. So that's it, our table is ready, and now we can just duplicate this table by selecting all the layers of this table. And yeah, actually this sofa particles are also here, so we make one mistake. So but what mistake we have done, actually this sofa is selected into similar selection. So for that we can do what we can do, we can select objects like this one, and after that, selecting all the sofa objects, we can drag this to sofa layer again, and now sofa is organized. We can choose the table. Now table will be different layer, so we can select the objects of table and duplicate these by pressing shift and dragging with mouse, and now our duplicate table is also ready. So that's it for this video, and in next video we will make some coffee table and a frame, and that will be second last video, and in last video we will add materials to our scene. Thank you very much.